If you're looking to create unique, professional-looking animated videos without spending hours learning complex software, Animoto AI is the perfect solution. Whether you're a content creator, educator, or business owner, Animoto AI makes video creation fast and easy. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use this free AI-powered tool to generate amazing animations. Step 1. Sign up for Animoto AI. Visit Animoto AI and sign up for a free account. Once registered, you'll gain access to the platform's powerful tools for generating high-quality animations. Step 2. Choose a template. Animoto AI offers a variety of templates tailored to different styles. You can pick a template based on your video's purpose, be it promotional, educational, or even a fun animated story. Templates help kickstart your project and save time. Step 3. Upload your media. Next, you'll upload images, videos, or text you want to use in your animation. If you don't have content ready, Animoto AI also provides a vast library of stock images and videos you can integrate into your project. Step 4. Customize your animation. Animoto AI allows you to customize animations by adjusting the movement, transition effects, and timing. Use the drag and drop feature to position elements and make your video look dynamic. You can adjust animation speeds, add text overlays, and even animate backgrounds. Step 5. Add music or voiceovers. Adding audio is a crucial step in making your animation engaging. Animoto AI allows you to upload your own music or choose from its free music library. You can also record a voiceover for more personalized content. Step 6. Preview your animation. Once you've finished customizing your animation, it's time to preview it. Animoto AI lets you preview your animation before finalizing. This is a great opportunity to make sure everything flows smoothly. Step 7. Export and share. When you're satisfied with your animation, click on Export. Animoto AI supports multiple export formats, including MP4, for easy sharing on YouTube, Instagram, or any other platform. Animoto AI makes animation accessible to everyone. With its simple, intuitive interface and powerful features, you can create stunning animated videos in minutes. Don't wait. Give Animoto AI a try and start creating unique animations today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.